Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to stop access to desktop apps in Windows 10. To block access to specific apps on your Windows 10 machine, press the Windows plus R keys on the keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then, type pedit.msc and press Enter on the keyboard to launch the Local Group Policy Editor. In the Local Group Policy Editor, expand User Configuration. Expand Administrative Templates. Expand System. Now, on the right side pane, double-click the setting Don't Run Specified Windows Applications. When you're done, the Don't Run Specified Windows Applications policy properties will open. Select the enabled option. And then click the Show button. Here, confirm the names of the apps you want to block. Please note, you need to enter the app one per line. Also, you need to specify the .exe file extension to block the app. For example, to block Command Prompt, you should add Command .exe, and PowerShell.exe will block PowerShell. Now, click OK. Click Apply. Finally, click the OK button. Once you complete the above steps, the specified apps will no longer be accessible by any users configured on your computer. The settings are applied immediately, however, you can restart your computer to ensure the policy has been applied. When you try to open the blocked app, you will get an error message. This operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. Please note, if you are running Windows 10 Home Edition, you have to enable the Group Policy Editor, pedit.msc, in order to use this method. To enable the Group Policy Editor, pedit.msc, we have mentioned the link in this video description. Good luck! Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you want to watch more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.